Hello friends, meet Mr. Rajesh Dua, who is 1984 batch science graduate. He had a lot of experience of 35 years. Inception of his career in 1985 with LML Vespa as a paint shop production supervisor, where he worked in different shifts. Mr. Dua was able to cope up hard times of labor strike in those days. Mr. Dua joined pharma industry in 1988 with Torrent Pharmaceuticals at Gorakhpur headquarters and launched mega brands. One of them was Alprex. Then he worked for Marint Limited, Sun Pharma, Zydus, Alchem at senior management roles and business head with Eris and Delcure. Then in 2019, Mr. Dua decided to be entrepreneur with his company named Escort Life Sciences Private Limited, based out of Ahmedabad. He is an expert of pharma sales and marketing and know the surge of the trade. Let's get the right direction from him and learn from his learnings. Please welcome Mr. Rajesh Dua.
Hi Sandeep, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to be part of your show. I'm really thankful to you.
Welcome, sir. My today's first question is about the healthcare scenario, how pandemic has modified the today's healthcare scenario. We need your expert opinion on this.
The effect of pandemic on healthcare industry continue to be profound. COVID-19 has placed unparalleled demand on modern healthcare systems, and to large extent, industry also demonstrated its resilience and ability to bring innovation to the market quickly. Pandemic has prioritized innovation, that is development, to the operations, and history suggests that companies that innovate or invest in development through this crisis platform certainly outperforms their peers during the recovery.
Thanks for the insight. My next question is, in your opinion, what is the future of pharma and healthcare sector in India?
The healthcare innovators have brought us an innovative artificial intelligence that can read an X-ray as well as or rather good than a radiologist, plus an inexpensive genome sequencing certainly can guide us for a personalized cancer treatment. All these are the example where the future of healthcare system and pharma belongs to.
Yes, we all agree what you are saying, sir. So, in your opinion, what should be the young and ambitious executives need to do if they want to succeed in pharma and healthcare sales? Please elaborate.
To this question, I like to say, remember and work on two. One is KYD and KYC. KYD is know your deficits. Once you know your own deficits, you start adding value to yourself. And when you start value yourself, your value will increase in the market and in customers' mind. Then comes in KYC, know your customer. That is a very known term, but it's very important. Understand all customers and all sales point, not from operational angle, but also from the developmental angle, and 360 degree is the whole sphere you have to understand. Some you have to work for today, some you have to make a seeding where the fruit will come tomorrow. Not only this, but you have to see that you always speak and you always communicate and align with the customer's profile as well as the market profile. Winning customer is the key. That was there, that will remain there.
Amazing, sir. Tell me one thing, what are the major shift in thoughts and actions that need to be taken if someone wishes to be entrepreneur like you?
Respect others' views and believe in you. One must understand there is no copy which is perfectly copied. One must work to be original and start taking a step. Velocity is secondary. Movement is important. In spite of hurdles and oppositions, keep your efforts on.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Dua. So, lastly but not the least, I want to know that what's your biggest learning so far as an employee and now as a businessman?
One must not be scared of failure, because failure brings you a lot of learning, a lot of insights. Do try new things. Don't try to make everyone happy. Be very, very consistent in your efforts, because road to success is always under constructions. Keep going, learn along the way, but keep going.